Hello, boys and girls. It is Thursday, April 16th, and we're going to go ahead and do our comprehension check for today. So we have a reading about the seasons, and then we'll answer some questions. So let's go ahead and we will do our reading so you guys can follow along with me as I read it out loud. There are 4 seasons: spring, summer, autumn, which is also known as fall, and winter. In the spring, the weather begins to get warmer. The snow and ice melt. New flowers begin to grow. In summer, the weather is hot. The plants grow a lot during the summer. Summer has the longest and warmest days. People like to spend a lot of time outdoors during the summer. In autumn, the weather begins to get cooler. The leaves change color and fall from the tree. I should say trees, but anyway. Animals begin to prepare for the winter. During the winter months, the weather is cold. Some animals hibernate during the winter. Many children like to play in the snow and build snowmen. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and take a look at the questions. So it says, name a fact about spring, and you can use red. Now here's the thing, guys. There's more than one fact about each of the seasons in here, okay? So you just have to choose one fact to write about spring and write it in, make sure you use a complete sentence, okay? And I do want you writing these ones down. Name a fact about summer, orange. So find the information about summer, underline it in orange, and then choose one fact to write over here. Same thing, autumn, underline the information in yellow, and then choose one of the facts to write over here. Name a fact about winter, find the information, underline it in green, and then write one fact over here. Now, what season do you like best and why? Now, I want you to keep this in mind, guys, because remember how we're doing our daily writing prompts? Well, next week, one of yours is actually about what your favorite season is, okay? So you can think of some of the facts or even hold on to this to help give you some ideas of what you could write as your favorite season and why it's your favorite season, okay? So I'm gonna have you guys go ahead, pause the video now to do your work, and then when we come back, we'll go over the answers together. Okay, welcome back. We're gonna go ahead and go over the answers. Now, remember, you might have something different written than what I do. So the first question was name a fact about spring. Well, over here, the parts about spring were in the spring, the weather begins to get warmer. The snow and ice melt. New flowers begin to grow. Now, I wrote new flowers grow in the spring. But if you wrote the weather begins to get warmer, that's right. If you wrote the snow and ice melt, that would be right, okay? So any of the facts that they give us here, you could have written down over here for spring. Same with summer, a fact about summer. So we underlined it in orange. In summer, the weather is hot. Plants grow a lot during the summer. Summer has the longest and warmest days. People like to spend a lot of time outdoors in the summer. Any of those things that you had underlined, you could write over here. So I did the fact about summer has the longest and warmest days. Same with autumn, in yellow. In autumn, the weather begins to get cooler. The leaves change color and fall from the tree. Animals begin to prepare for the winter. Any of those facts would be fine. I wrote in autumn, the leaves change color and fall from trees. Okay? So we underlined winter in green. During the winter months, the weather is cold. Some animals hibernate during the winter. Many children like to play in the snow and build snowmen. I said some animals hibernate during the winter. Any of these facts would be fine for you to write there. Now the last one, there's no right or wrong answer because this is your opinion. What season do you like best and why? So I wrote, I like autumn the best because I like to jump in leaf piles, okay? So you might have chosen a different season. You might have chosen summer or spring, or you might have chosen autumn, but you might have a different reason why. Just make sure you say which one you like best and give a reason why, okay? So there you are, the answers for our Comprehension Check 18 for Thursday, April 16th. Awesome job, everyone.